I wanted to be all of these growing up: a doctor, a pharmacist, a marketeer, even a translator. And I have done a lot of experiments. Our career choices are often influenced by our peers, by our parents, by our partners. But the person who's actually pursuing that career, is he really happy? Unfortunately, the education system in our country does not really provide the kind of exposures or the experiences that will help a person choose earlier in his life what and where his true ikigai lies. Well, ikigai is a very interesting concept which is divided into four pies. First, what do you love? Second, what you are good at. Third, what the society needs. And fourth, what you can earn out of it. When all these four parameters align, it actually is the right career choice. Let's take an example. Let's say I like acting and I want to become an actor. I love to act, the first pie, but somehow I'm inherently good at something else. I take a lot of acting classes, I go to a lot of auditions, but somewhere something is not really clicking. And then one fine day, out of frustration or just to divert my mind somewhere else, I put up a few ingredients together and bake a cake. This is my discovery about myself, and it really makes me happy. So the next question or the next pie is what I am actually good at. Maybe baking. The other two questions that I now have to ask myself is what can I contribute to the society by being an actor or by being a baker. Let's take the current example, the current situation. If I'm an actor, can I contribute more to the society in the current COVID scenario? Or if I'm a baker, I can contribute more to the society in the current COVID scenario. The fourth, obviously, the earning part. Will I earn more as an actor? Will I earn more as a baker? And the most primary question to ask is what will really make me happy? See, Ikigai is a very deep concept and it will not be answered in one day just because I am trying to explain about it. So what you have to do at your end is pick up a pen and a paper, make these four quadrants and have that conversation about what you love, what you're good at, what you can give back to the society and what you can earn out of it. This exercise will not help you arrive at your Ikigai in one day. It will take weeks and months and even years of lot of self-analyzation, lot of self-talk, lot of determination, lot of hard work and most importantly, lot of faith in your own self. If you liked my today's video, you know the drill. Please like, comment, subscribe with as many people as possible and thanks a lot for all your support so far all these days on Meraki Woman. Thank you. Have a nice day.